Speech of this event will be on Sardar Patel, Symbol of Unity, by Miss Zainab Asif. Please come.
Once in a generation, there was an intellect and a visionary who aimed for the sky, stood firmly on the ground. His mind was made of diamond and his fist made of iron. With sheer determination and focus, he selflessly fought for India's freedom and unity. A name which makes every Indian feel proud. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Good evening to everyone present here. On the occasion of Rashtriya Ekta Divas, I stand here to speak on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as an Iron Man and his role in keeping India integrated. Vallabhbhai Patel, better known as Sardar Patel, a gentleman nationalist and a hero of national freedom struggle, an icon of Indian unity, was born on 31st October 1875. Starting his education in a Gujarati medium, he went to pursue a degree in law to England in 1910 and completed it in 1913 from Inns of Court. Patel started his law practice in Gujarat. For his legal proficiency, he was offered many lucrative posts by the British government, but he rejected as he opposed them. Later on, he became a member of the Gujarat Club, where he attended a lecture by Mahatma Gandhi, who inspired him to adopt Gandhian principles. Sardar Patel had contributed greatly in the freedom struggle, which made him the freedom fighter we all recognize today. In 1917, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was elected as the secretary of the Gujarat wing of the Indian National Congress, Gujarat Sabha. In 1918, he led a no-tax campaign movement that urged the farmers not to pay taxes, and the peaceful movement was fruitful, which earned him the title of Sardar. He actively supported the non-cooperation movement launched by Gandhi. Patel left no stone unturned to boost the feeling of nationalism. In 1930, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was among the leaders imprisoned for participating in the Salt Satyagraha movement and got released in 1931. The same year, Patel was elected as the president of Indian National Congress in its Karachi session. In the 1942 Quit India movement, Patel continued his unwavering support to Gandhiji when several contemporary leaders criticized the latter's decision. Whenever we talk about the integration of princely states and the unification of India, we remember Sardar Patel. For his uncompromising commitment to the national integration, he achieved the title Iron Man of India. After India achieved independence, Patel became the first Home Minister and also the Deputy Prime Minister. He played a very crucial role in post-independence India by successfully integrating around 562 princely states under the Indian Dominion. It was a vision, acumen and statesmanship of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel which led to the single act of democratic unification of India. Patel was a leading member of the Constituent Assembly of India, the key force in establishing the Indian Police Services and also the Indian Administrative Services. Patel had an opinion that lack of unity would result in unexpected calamities and doubted that if Indians would not cooperate, and work together in the general interest of the country, anarchy and chaos would overwhelm us all. The historic and diplomatic rule, along with skillful influence, led the rulers of princely states to honor the aspirations of the people. And this way, Sardar Patel united today's India. Uniting the nation was indeed a formidable task because things were done in a context where a lot of fast-moving development was taking place. If Mahatma Gandhi was the father of the nation, Jawaharlal Nehru, the father of the nation, Jawaharlal Nehru, the father of the Indian state, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel could be legitimately claimed to be the father of the Indian Union. It was his tireless exertion, inducement and diplomacy which paved the way to build the Indian Republic. P. Menon, in his book Integration of Princely States, narrates the efforts of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he mentions how the prince agreed to join the Union of India with the central government, retaining the powers of defense, railways, external affairs, communication. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the loyal and steadfast soldier of the Indian struggle for independence. It is because of people like him that today we are proud of the Union of India. On 15 December 1950, the great soul left the world. Today, it is the time to remember and acknowledge his contribution and get inspiration for the united India on his 143rd birth anniversary. The grateful nation celebrates this occasion as Rashtriya Ekta Divas on National Unity Day. The great freedom fighter, the sagacious statesman, Sardar Patel was also honored with the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, posthumously in 1991. We salute Sardar Patel ji for his selfless services to the nation and thank him for being our savior and also being the hero we really needed during those dark days. National integration is the need of the hour. It is our duty to keep Sardar Patel ji's legacy alive. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel once said, and I quote, "Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly. Then it becomes a spiritual power."